What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy video from Filmit.io. Today we are overviewing and demoing Sync, a new plugin from Filmit.io that batch syncs footage inside of Premiere and DaVinci Resolve. Now to download and install Sync, just like always, if you're new to Filmit.io, all you have to do is create an account on Filmit.io, linked in the description. Install Filmit Studio, our desktop app manager, and download Sync. Hit the Premiere option in here, click Sync, click Install, or DaVinci Resolve, click Sync, and click Install. You also notice inside of Filmit Studio, there's tons of other applications you can install and try out. Everything is included in your Pro account, including all of our GPU effects, all of our transitions that all work for DaVinci, Premiere Pro, and soon to be Final Cut Pro. So have a blast trying everything out. Now, once Sync is installed in Premiere, this also works for DaVinci. Just go to Window, Extensions, and then open up Sync right here. For DaVinci, it's Window and then Workspace integrations, and you'll find Sync. They both function exactly the same. So in Premiere Pro, here I have a bunch of different interviews. We have a bunch of different videos, A cam, B cam. Probably it's around 130 or so different video files, and we have a bunch of audio files. A lot of this is B-roll, a couple interviews, and some tour footage from a documentary we've been working on. And I want to analyze all this with Sync just so it syncs up my audio to all my footage. I don't want to have to do it manually. And it's really easy for Sync. Just open up Sync. Let's drop down our audio. Let's drag the wave in here. Everything's already been imported. Let's drag in all of our camera footage, and it's going to go through 136 different video files. Now everything is loaded. Now, I will say Sync is a robust plugin. It is not meant to be fast. It is meant to do the work for you. My advice, if you're just syncing one clip, a video to an audio track, you could totally just manually do that in Premiere. It's probably a lot faster versus Sync. Sync goes through the timecode, it goes through the transcript, and it goes through the waveform to help find robust matches for all of your footage. So once you click Analyze, go grab a cup of coffee, go do something else. This is the whole point of Sync, is it does it for you so you can go work on other things while this is running in the background. But as you can see here, I'm running 136 different files, and Sync is going to go through each individual file to see if there's a match to audio. If you're just running 10 files, it will be significantly shorter, but that's the whole point of this. I want this project to be built and all my different little audio tracks found. And let's click Analyze. Sync is now going through each thing and rendering audio in the background to provide syncable matches. Like I said, this can take quite a long time because I have to go through 136 different files. But if you were just doing 10, it would already be done by now. And then the syncing process would start. And as this is running, over here on the right, you can see our other plugin called Rough Cut. And I'll describe it as we wait for this. Rough Cut is an AI-enabled editor for Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve and Final Cut Pro. It analyzes your source media. You tell it the story. You tell it what deliverables you want. 8-minute hero cut, 3-minute cut down, and let's say 35 shorts. It'll analyze everything for you and build a cut. There's a link to Rough Cut down below to check out this plugin. It is amazing. It helps a ton with building your rough cut in your editor. It's not meant to edit videos for you, but it's meant to be your assistant for finding clips, finding quotes, and putting them in your timeline. So have fun, and we'll be right back and Sync will be done. And we are done. Sync probably took 15 minutes or around 20 minutes, something like that, to get through all of these. I wasn't really paying attention. I was doing other things. Now you can tell it took a while because I went through 136 clips. I know for a fact there's at least 45 minutes of interviews in this particular project. And if you go through this, it ranks all of the analysis. So all these are low scores, as in they don't match up, which makes sense. There's a lot of B-roll here, a lot of mediums and highs where it thinks it could be matching stuff, and high is obviously a match, and it gives you a bunch of different data on all the different cameras and stuff. But what we want to do is create 5 sequences, and with just 4 scenes, and then the master. And I'll show you exactly what that does after we create it. And then click Create. And once you create your synced sequences, it creates a nice little sync folder over here in our project bin. You'll have your matched audio, matched video, your sequences, slices, unmatched audio, and unmatched video. This just kind of says like, hey, we couldn't find a match for these. So it kind of organizes it for you, which I thought was a nice touch. Now in the sequence folder, you'll see here all of your matched sequences and then the sync master. This is the sync master is a nested timeline. It just lays it all out for you here. So really handy and really helpful. And if we open up one of these timelines from the sync master, as you can see, here is camera A, and camera B. Well, they're both on here. Sync to our scratch audio at the bottom, and then here's our wave at the top. Now there's actually some settings inside of sync where you can choose where these things will go. Like this is the wave file from the audio recorder. Like this is the scratch audio for this camera, and this is the scratch audio for the other camera. But what we can do is actually go into the sync settings and actually choose build the multi-angle scene scene sequences, build a master timeline. Also, top, sync audio on A1, camera audio below. So I personally like having my main zoom audio on A1, or you can click to bottom where this would actually put the main audio at the bottom under, it would be for this particular project, be like A9 or something like that. And here's our other camera. Here's our other interview that was from this project. As you can see, Sync did throw in some B-roll right here, but Sync is trying very hard to match audio for us. So it may have thought that this could have belonged here as a medium match based on the waveforms. But that's okay. Like I said before, Sync is very robust. It's going to try a lot of different methods to make sure these things line up. And with it being robust, it's going to say, hey, I think this works here. But for a project like this, for me, it's really easy just to delete those clips because I know that doesn't belong here. But at the end of the day, it did sync all my audio for me, which is important. But that is Sync in a nutshell. So feel free to try this plugin out. It's a lot of fun to use and it does save a lot of time. We will continue to update Sync to make it a little more robust, and we'd love some customer feedback as you go. How does it work with your projects? The next few things we need to try is syncing it with a feature film, like scenes and stuff. But this is pretty great for if you have tons of interviews, tons of different little audio clips. And one little thing it will do that I did an example here is that in your timeline, let's say that you stop and started the recorder a bunch of times. My particular audio does not show that example here. But if your recorder was like this was a recorder, this is a recorder, this is a recorder, it would line these up on A1, just like this. If there's overlap, it'll stack them like this. But as long as they don't overlap, it'll just put all those recorder audios on A1. So that's a good thing, and that's how we wanted to make it function. If you think it should function differently, just let us know. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, and if you'd like a link to Sync, it's down in the description or in the pinned comment.